Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like most people, you probably want to pay off that car loan faster so you can stop sending a chunk of your hard-earned cash to the bank every month. But how do you do that without giving up your daily coffee run, or, the little things that make life enjoyable? Well, I've got good news. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to kick that car loan to the curb, pay it off faster, and still keep living your life. Oh, and we're going to throw in some tips and tricks with a side of humor because let's face it, adulting is hard. But we can make it fun. So, let's buckle up, pun intended, and get started on the road to paying off your car loan faster. First, let's talk about why you should even care about paying off that car loan faster. I know, you might be thinking, but I can just pay the minimum and keep going. Well, yes, but that's like putting off laundry for weeks until you realize you have no clean socks left. Here's why speeding up the process is a smart move. Interest savings. The faster you pay it off, the less interest you'll pay. Let's say you have a $15,000 car loan at 6% interest over 5 years. If you only make the minimum payments, you're going to pay a lot more than $15,000 by the time it's done. But if you step on the gas and pay it off quicker, you're cutting those interest payments out like a bad haircut. Freedom from debt. Not having that monthly car payment hanging over your head is like a weight being lifted off your shoulders. When you've got that extra cash each month, you'll feel like you're in control of your financial life, and you can finally start saving or investing in other things. I mean, wouldn't you love to redirect that monthly car payment to your savings or retirement? I know I would. Boost your credit score. One of the factors that affects your credit score is your debt-to-income ratio, which includes your car loan. So, when you pay off that loan faster, you're improving your credit score. And who doesn't want a better credit score to get lower rates on other loans? It's like a snowball effect. And it feels pretty amazing. Okay, now let's get into the how. How do you pay off that loan faster without resorting to living on ramen noodles and rice cakes? Don't worry, you won't have to make any extreme sacrifices. Let's look at some clever strategies. Make extra payments, even small ones. This one's a classic, but it works wonders. You don't have to make a massive extra payment every month. If you can, great. But even a little bit goes a long way. Let's say you've got a $400 monthly payment. If you throw an extra $50 on top of that each month, it doesn't sound like a ton. But over the course of the year, you've added an extra $600 to the balance and saved a bunch of interest. Bi-weekly payments. This one's sneaky, and I love it. Instead of paying your monthly payment all at once, break it down into bi-weekly payments. For example, if your car loan is $400 per month, pay $200 every 2 weeks. In 1 year, you'll have made 26 half payments, which is the same as making 13 full payments. That's one extra payment per year, and it adds up. Round up your payments. Here's a simple trick. Round up your payments to the nearest 100, or even to the nearest $10. Let's say your monthly payment is $375. If you round that up to $400, you're making an extra $25 each month, without it feeling like much. It's the little things that add up. Think of it as the 5% trick. 5% more here and there. And before you know it, your car loan is gone faster than you can say, prepayment penalty. Use windfalls. Got a bonus from work, or maybe an unexpected tax refund? Instead of blowing that extra cash on a vacation, hey, no judgment, I'm all for a getaway. Consider putting some or all of it toward your car loan. This is a great way to make a big dent in your balance without disrupting your regular monthly payments. It's like finding extra change in your couch cushions, but way more rewarding. Refinance to lower your interest rate. If you've got a decent credit score, consider refinancing your car loan to a lower interest rate. This can help you save a ton of money in the long run. You'll end up paying less interest, meaning more of your payment goes toward the principal. Think of it as getting a cheat code in a video game. It makes the process faster and less painful. Okay, now we're in the home stretch. How much should you aim to pay off each month to really speed up that process? Well, here's the deal. The answer really depends on your budget and how much wiggle room you have. But here's a general guideline. Stretch your budget. If you can afford it, try to increase your payment by 10 to 20% each month. For example, if your payment is $400, try paying $440 or $480. That small increase will knock months off your loan term and save you interest. What's realistic for you? The key is to make sure you're not stretching yourself too thin. It's tempting to throw every extra dollar at your car loan, but you don't want to sacrifice other important things like paying bills, building your emergency fund, or treating yourself to that latte once in a while. Automate it. Set up automatic payments for that extra amount. You won't even have to think about it, and it'll be like financial autopilot. That extra $25 or $50 per month will slowly but surely knock your loan down to nothing. Alright, let me throw in a real-life example so you can see how this all works in action. Meet Jake. Jake has a $10,000 car loan with a 5% interest rate, and his monthly payment is $300. Jake loves his car, but he's tired of paying interest every month, and he wants to be free of that loan as quickly as possible. Here's what Jake does. He decides to switch to bi-weekly payments. Instead of paying $300 a month, he pays $150 every 2 weeks. This alone adds an extra payment every year. He also gets a $500 tax refund and decides to put all of it toward the loan. So, now he's knocked $500 off the loan principal. Finally, Jake rounds up his payments. Instead of paying $300, he's now paying $325 every month. At the end of the year, Jake has made one extra payment, put an additional $500 toward the principal, and rounded up his payments by $25 each month. This means that $10,000 loan will be paid off much faster, and he's saved a ton in interest. And there you have it. The strategies to pay off your car loan faster and take control of your financial life. It's not about making huge sacrifices. It's about using smart, small moves to make a big difference. Now before you go, I need you to do me a huge favor. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Sharing is caring, and you never know, one of your buddies might be stuck with a car loan that's just dragging them down. Share the knowledge and help someone drive debt-free. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep crushing those financial goals.